Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share how to remove the factory radio in Hyundai X35, the LM generation between 2010 and 2017. And in this case the car comes with the standard radio like this, and to remove this one, very simple. Very simple. We just use two like this one. Okay, you can see that this small one, because we prefer it's small and slim on the ends, so it can slide into the edge much better than the bigger one. So two of this one would be enough and very good for the job. So what you do is we start from the top and then we go at the bottom. It looks tricky, but use the smaller end side, just go all the way to the edge here and you can pop it up, and use the second one, do the same thing on the side, and then this one will eventually come up very quickly and easy. And you can see it only has 4 plastic clip, and it stays at a little bit angle slide into the dot. So yep, that's about it. And after we got it, just put it outside. We normally put it at the back second seat well for the walk easier. Now for the bottom one, the same thing. We use the smaller end side and push it in and then slide in, and this one will actually pop up easy, very easy. Okay, and it's like this, and you just unclip those connector and it will be okay. Now is the time we need a screwdriver, and you will see 1, 2 screw there and another 2 at the bottom there, 1, 2, so 4 of them. Okay, and they're actually looking like this, very like this. So yep, just unscrew them, and after that you can simply slide the head unit out and unclip all the connector at the back end. Okay, so that's the Hyundai iX35. So again, this car iX35 2014, but the generation 2010 2017. If you want to see how many cable behind this head unit, we have the link of a video at the end of the video here, so just have a look at that. Thanks again and see you then.